So today also we are continuing the topic derivatives. So in the last class we had studied some problems related to the power rule and addition of two functions, subtraction of two functions like that. So today we can include few more rules and we can do the problems based on the combination of these rules. Okay. So first of all, square root of x, d by dx of square root of x we have studied in the last class by applying the power rule. First rearrange x to the power 1 by 2, okay, and applying the power rule you will get 1 by 2 root of x, okay. D by dx of square root of x is 1 by 2 root of x. This you have to by heart. Now what is the derivative of 4 square root of x minus 2? Okay, 4 square root of x minus 2. So here this is also a subtraction or difference of two functions. So find the derivative of first function minus derivative of second function. So it is d by dx of 4 square root of x minus d by dx of 2. Okay. Now here 4 square root of x. Here this is of the form a constant multiplied by a function. So what's a constant that you can keep outside? So 4 multiplied by derivative of square root of x. What is the derivative of square root of x? Already we studied, it is 1 by 2 square root of x. Okay. Now d by dx of a constant. If it is just constant, derivative is 0. So in this way you can apply. So 4 into 1 by 2 square root of x. Here 4 by 2 square root of x minus 0. And 4 by 2 square root of x. Here 4 divided by 2 it is 2. So the answer is 2 by square root of x minus 0. So the answer will be 2 by square root of x. Okay. So this is how you find the derivative of this function. Okay. So derivative of square root of x you have to by heart. It is 1 by 2 square root of x. Now if it is a negative power, derivative of x to the power minus 3. Derivative of x to the power minus 3. What you should do? Here also you can apply the power rule. Here only difference is the power. The n is negative. Okay, so n x to the power n minus 1, instead of n we have negative 3. So it is negative 3 x to the power negative 3 minus 1. So negative 3 x to the power negative 4. Or also you can rearrange, it is x to the power minus n. You can write as 1 by x to the power n. So it is negative 3 by x to the power 4. X to the power minus 4 you can write as it is, or if it is asked to write the answer in positive exponents, then you can rearrange this x to the power minus 4 as 1 by x to the power 4. So negative 3 into 1 by x to the power 4, it is negative 3 divided by x to the power 4. So this is the derivative of the functions with negative powers. Okay. Now let the question be d by dx of 1 by x. Okay. Sometimes instead of giving in the negative powers, they might have given like this. Okay. 1 by the power of x. So what you have to do? You have to rearrange or rewrite it in terms of negative power. So here 1 by x. What is 1 by x? It is x to the power minus 1. 1 by x is x to the power minus 1. Already I told in the previous, in that it was reverse. It was given as x to the power minus 2, right? So directly you can apply the rule by taking the power as negative. So here instead of giving in the negative powers, the question is given like 1 by x. Okay, so first rearrange this as x to the power minus 1, then apply the power rule. So n x to the power n minus 1, instead of n we have negative 1 and then x to the power negative 1 minus 1. So negative 1 into x to the power minus 2. So the answer is negative x to the power minus 2, or x to the power minus 2 you can rearrange it as 1 by x to the power 2. Okay, 1 by x to the power 2. So the answer will be minus 1 by x to the power 2. Okay, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. And this also is good if you by heart this. Otherwise you have in problems you might need to do all these steps. Instead of that you can directly write derivative of 1 by x is negative 1 by x square. Now instead of 1 by x, if it is given 1 by x to the power 3, what you have to do? The similar steps you have to follow. Here 1 by x to the power 3, you can write it as x to the power minus 3. Okay, and then you can follow the power rule. Negative 3 x to the power negative 3 minus 1. So it is negative 3 x to the power minus 4. Okay, so negative 3 x to the power minus 4, you can rearrange, or you can write the answer it is, or you can rearrange. X to the power minus 4 is 1 by x to the power 4. So it is negative 3 by x to the power 4. So this is the answer. Next, we can see some problems for derivatives of the exponential functions. Okay, we know that the derivative of exponential function, that is e to the power x, it is same, no change, e to the power x. But if there is constants coming as a combination, okay, what you need to do? For example, d by dx of 2e to the power x. 2e to the power x. This is a constant multiplied by a function. So at that time, what you have to do? The constant you have to keep outside. So 2 d by dx of e to the power x, and 2 multiplied by derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x itself. So the answer is 2 e to the power x. So whenever a constant gets multiplied, no changes, that constant also you have to multiply in the answer. Okay. Next, we know the derivative of the trigonometric function, that is derivative of d by dx of sin x is cos x, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, like that we can use in some problems. Okay, it's asked to find the derivative of d by dx of sin x plus e to the power x. So what you have to do? Derivative of first function plus derivative of the second function. So what is the derivative of first function? I'm not writing the in-between steps. Exams you have to write the in-between steps. Okay, I'll just write the answer. So derivative of first function, derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. In between, what is the sign? Plus. So answer will be cos x plus e to the power x. Okay. Now derivative of cos x minus x cube. Okay, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and derivative of x to the power 3, you can apply the power rule, and x to the power minus 1, and before that you have to put the symbol, put the sign here, it is minus, and applying the power rule, it will be 3x to the power 3 minus 1, it will be 3x to the power 2. Okay, so this is how you find the derivatives of the functions which involve trigonometric functions as well as the power functions. Okay, now derivative of tan x, it is sec square x. Okay, so let the question be derivative of tan x plus x to the power 2. Okay, so what is derivative of tan x? It is sec square x plus derivative of x square, it is power rule, 2x to the power n minus 1. So 2x to the power 2 minus 1, it is 2x to the power 1, and it is just 2x. Okay, 6 square x plus 2x. Next, let the question be derivative of sec x minus root x. Okay, so what is derivative of sec x? Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. You have to by heart this formula. And what is derivative of square root of x? That already we have studied how to find the derivative of square root of x by applying the power rule, and before that you have to rearrange square root of x as x to the power 1 by 2, and after applying power rule you will get the answer as 1 by 2 root x. So this is the answer, sec x into tan x minus 1 by 2 root x. Okay, now few more problems. Derivative of sin x plus 4x to the power minus 3. So here first derivative of sin x, it is cos x, and derivative of 4x to the power minus 3. Here 4 is a constant, you can take outside. Then find the derivative of x to the power minus 3. Okay, so here cos x, it is already simplified, no further simplification, plus 4 constant. Then here you can apply the power rule. So 4 multiplied by power rule is n x to the power minus 1. So negative 3 x to the power negative 3 minus 1, it is negative 4. So here cos x, and 4 multiplied by minus 3. That you can write, it is integer multiplication. So a positive gets multiplied to a negative. So the answer will be a negative, and 4 multiplied by 3, it will be 12. 12x to the power minus 4. And if you want, you can rearrange the equation in terms of positive exponents. So that is minus 12 by x to the power 4. So this is the answer. X to the power minus 4, you can rearrange as 1 by x to the power 4. Now we can study about the different types of problems in the next sessions. Okay, I will be coming with more problems in the next session. So until then, be thorough with all these types. Okay, till then, bye.